In today's digital age, our mobile devices are our lifelines. But is your website or app optimized for all screen sizes? Introducing responsive design, the key to enhancing user experience on any device. Here's why it matters. Multi-device compatibility. Your digital platform should look great and function flawlessly, whether it's on a smartphone or a massive desktop screen. Improved user experience. Responsive design provides an intuitive and engaging user experience, increasing user retention and conversions. Enhanced SEO performance. Google and other search engines favor mobile-friendly websites, boosting your organic traffic. Cost efficiency. Say goodbye to maintaining separate mobile and desktop versions. Responsive design streamlines development and reduces costs. And when it comes to responsive design, TechieShubdeep IT Solutions Private Ltd is your trusted partner. Here's why you should choose us. Our expertise. With years of experience, our team stays ahead of the curve with the latest tools and techniques. Customized solutions. We tailor responsive designs to meet your unique needs and audience. Cross-platform compatibility. Our designs work seamlessly on any device, ensuring a top-notch user experience. SEO-friendly approach. We build with SEO best practices, boosting your online visibility. Cost-effective. Quality services at affordable prices, suitable for organizations of all sizes. Ready to captivate users on any device? Contact TechieShubdeep IT Solutions Private Ltd today, and let's enhance your website or app's user experience through responsive design.